Assalamualaikum friends, once again welcome to my channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all of you may Almighty keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Amen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet stylish shoes designs, socks designs, very amazing colorful crochet flowers pattern shoe designs ideas collection for winter collection ideas, women's and girls ideas. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to channel in the first time, and you can also buy to the market brought to channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend. Then inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion and videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. Don't miss any video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Love you.